Ako'y nagtataka kung ano kayang nakakatakot doon sa pagmamarka ng sealed box. Selyado nga. Ang pinamamarkahan ng prosecution, because they do not want to open the box,
Formal nang natapos o terminated na kagabi June 25 ang pre-trial conference matapos makumpleto ang pagmamarka ng mga ebidensyang may kaugnayan sa articles of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Gayunpaman, bigong mabuksan o mamarkahan ang kahon mula sa Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR na naglalaman ng tax records ni VP Duterte at asawa nitong si Atty. Manasseh Carpio.
this is very relevant because we will be able to know, to present before the impeachment court, the lawful personal income of the respondent and the spouse, no? And by knowing their lawful income, baka ma-justify nila yung mga acquisitions which will be seen also in the other documents of the prosecution, no?